Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi, everybody. I'm going to do a quick video on how to create conferences in your courses so that way you can interact online with students, whether you're in class or face-to-face online courses. So we're going to go to GEB 3213 as an example. So when you're in your course, you'll see from the professor's view that you have some grayed out options. These grayed out options are just additional features to your course. So we need to make sure that students can see this, so when we add them to the conference, they can go into the conference. So we're going to go to Settings. In Settings, you're going to go to Navigation. I'm currently already there. So as you can see, these are the current options students have. This is what's on the side over here. So we're going to scroll down until we get to Conferences. Conferences is right here. So we are going to enable this, which brings it back up to the top. Now to make sure that it's saved and that students have access, you're going to go all the way down to Save. Now it's saved and it's changed from grayed out to black font. Okay? So now we're going to go to Conferences. So to add a new conference, you would go to Add New Conference. So we're currently in GEB 3213 16 week. This is the provider for the actual conference, the duration of the conference, if you want to put a time, if you would like to enable recording, or if you would like no time limit and then it removes that time. I would put a description in here. Student name, conference. Okay, now this is where the invitation goes. You probably don't want to invite the entire class, so you uncheck that and a list of the student's name will pop up. This is the only person currently in my course as an example. So I would click on her name. I would hit update, and now the conference has been created. It's not started, but it has been created. There's some additional settings. If you forget to do something, you can always edit and then go back. Okay, so now we're going to start the conference. Starting the conference, you have to enable your flash drive. Yes, trust Adobe. Then it's going to load for you, and it's going to be a series of options that it's going to prep you to do. So the first thing it's going to do is make sure that your audio is working. And the test audio should pop up within, I would say, about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay. Do you want to join the audio? Yes. Okay. I'm going to allow the use of audio. This is the audio test. And the audio test feature, yes, I would like to use Flash. It's one of the easiest. And this is also an Adobe Flash player settings, which comes up whenever you record videos inside your courses as well. So I'm going to say allow. This is the audio test. Built-in microphone. You can see it moving, so I know the audio is working. Now this is the actual test where you can hear your voice once it connects. Whether it's earbuds or the phone. I can hear the echo. I'm going to click yes. And now we're in the conference.
It's conference.
So it just said that I'm currently the only one in the conference. So when the student joins the conference, their name will be right here. And the way you know the student received the invitation for the conference is, sorry about that, they're going to receive an email like this saying the course number, and that they received a web conference invitation. So they can either click on this and join from there, or either go straight to the conference and click on there where it says join. So some features about this I think that are really interesting. You can do it audio, you can disable it. That lets me know my mic is on. I have a hot mic. This gives me access to video. If I wanted to, I could click that and then a video would come up. And then also you could share your screen. So you could share your screen if a student has a question about an assignment or maybe there's a disconnect. You could share your screen as well, or they can share their screen. This is the start recording button. And once you hit record, it keeps it. And then there's some other options over here. So for the most part, you could even upload documents, and you could start a poll if you have more than one student in here, and you have all these other fantastic creative options over here as well. All right, so, and then when you're done with the conference, you merely click out of it, and you're back to your course, and then you hit end. Are you sure you want to end this conference? You will not be able to reopen it. Yes. Now it moves from new conferences to concluded conferences. And this is a saved version of the conference. All right, so you save all your conferences there. They're inside your actual course. And now you know all the correspondence that you had with students that may have needed additional instructions or assistance with items. Okay, so that is how you use conferences and how to add them to your courses. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please make sure to contact me, email me, come by my office, or make sure you give me a call. Have a wonderful day.